Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create account in Wattpad with your Android phone. So please watch the full video and also give a like to this video. So let's get started. First of all, open Wattpad application. You should have to download it from Google Play Store if you are using Android and from App Store if you are using iOS. So I have downloaded and opened it. So when you open it, you will see this type of interface. So simply tap on join for free option below. If you have already create account, then tap on sign in option below. So I am tapping on join for free option. Now here you can create account with three methods. You can create it with Facebook, you can create it with Google, and you can directly create it with any email like Google, Yahoo, Ymail or any other. So in this video I will create with email. I enter my email. Now I am writing my username. So keep in mind that username must be letters and digits as well as underscores or hyphens, etc. So I have written my username. Now you should have to enter your password. Now you should have to enter your birthday. Now sit. Now tap on start reading. Here you will answer some questions. If you like only reading, then tap on this option. If you like writing or you are a writer, tap on this. If you like both, so tap on this option. I like both options, then tap on next. Here it asks you another question that what describe you as a writer. I mostly write for fun. I am exploring opportunities for my work. Select any option here. So let's suppose I am selecting this one. Now ask another question. Have you finished writing a novel? So I am typing no. I'm selecting no. You can choose anyone, and here you will select anyone: he, him, she, her, or they, them. So let's suppose I am selecting this one, then tap on next. Now here you should select any topic like romance, new adult, poetry, science, teen fiction. Suppose I am selecting this one, then tap on finish. And here you can skip it or start your work directly. And here you can see the premium option. You will use it for 1 year, monthly or 6 months offers. You can select anyone, or you can tap on not now option to use it for free, and then tap on start reading. You will see many hundreds of novels here, novels, books. So our account has been created. Now we will receive email message from Wattpad, so verify it from Gmail. I hope you will like this video. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.